Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Durban City 0. I'm joined by Uphelelani.
Sanibonani babukeli bama fans of TV.
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs. Three things. Into for usiqaphele ukuthi i-league is divided into 3 stages.
Sure.
First 10 games, 20 games, 30 games.
Yeah.
Usudlalile 10 games manje usucollect less than 20 points.
Yeah.
Keep on improving. Awakabi right. Another thing engiqaphelayo ngani ni coach wa market takers. Market takers ayingozi. Ayingozi market takers. Ukuthi kufana lesikole uthola ukuthi uprincipal mengabe ngeke esikoleni. Ukuthi bakuphetha ama-HOD. Ama-HOD ayasindelwa isikole. Into engiyibone namhlanje le ukuthi yabo there are sometimes uthola ukuthi benza ama-substitutions but benza ama-substitutions but ama-substitutions abo ama-substitutions abo ayaconfuse ukuthi kuze wangena uSilva ngesub yokugcina wakola egoli eli-decider. The last time uFlavio Silva kola igoli eliwinisa i-team kwaku against i-Arrows khona futhi la ukuthi kubathatha isikhathi ukuthi bawine kwi-league. Bastrugglishile uSeptember badlalile without i-win. October bawina suphele October kusho ukuthi inkinga leyo i-win ayikwazi ukubaleka kanje. At some point bebedlala ama-draw. Angikhumbuli ukuthi igame yesikhukhune kuphela. So ezinye zezinto lezi efuna abaziqaphele lezi ukuthi bengingathanda ukuthi babengathola ucoach manje. Ngingaba happy ngoba isikole esiphethwe aba-HODs nama-deputies hayi asilungi lesesikole leso ngoba abafundi bagcina sebezenzela esikoleni. Bazimathanda balethe baphula imithetho kanti isikole masino-principal siba nesithunzi. We need a head coach as soon as possible. Ngiyabonga bafowethu.
Sasa kuwina.
Sundowns le game igame enzima le esomidlala kusasa bafowethu. Ngoba iSundowns eLoftus inabo ukuba lesihluku. At the same time iOrlando Pirates inama quality players this season. Ukuthi disappointed ukuthi iphumile kwi-CAF Champions League ngoba bonke labadlali nabo bebathengele i-CAF Champions League. So ucoach we-Pirates usengcupheni bengawini kusasa. At the same time no coach we-Sundowns bengawini kusasa usengcupheni futhi. Yeah, siyabonga bafowethu.
So kuwina.
So kungawina nobani kusasa.
Score Thibo. Score. Thank you. Yeah.